Welcome to the channel. My name is Roy, as you have seen, and for today's tutorial we'll be going through the three main windows in SPSS. So the first thing we ought to do is to open SPSS, and it will take a few to load. Now we get this first window which always pops up, and you can select don't show again, but we don't want to do that since we are explaining them. The open and existing data source is just recording a number of things that you would have done recently. Then you have immediately below that, open another type of file. Then we have to the extreme right, run the tutorial, type in data, run an existing query, create new query using database wizard, and we don't want any of that. So what we now do is cancel or select X. Alright, so SPSS has a total of three main windows. The first window is the data editor window. At the top there you can see that highlighted, and within the data editor window we have the variable view and the data view. Alright, so the variable view is in essence where the variables are stored. Alright, and if you think of a questionnaire, this would be where the variables or the questions on the questionnaire are entered, and that's what we call a template. Alright, so that's the one of the two views in the data editor window, and the other view is the data view. And the data view is where the individual responses are entered for each respondent, and it doesn't have to be persons, but this is social statistics, so we focus on that. Alright, in order to see the syntax view we have to open a data set, so let's do that quickly. And you don't have to necessarily follow me in doing this, since it's for example purposes. Alright, so we're seeing the data that's available in the dataset. So it's adverts and sales. In order to see our syntax, we go to analyze descriptive frequency, and we want to bring one of the two across, then paste, and paste brings up our syntax window. Our syntax window is basically where all our commands are stored. Alright, and this here is a command which is represented by a full stop at the end, so that's one full command. So we highlight that command and after we highlight that command, we select this button at the top that looks like a play button. It's run selection. We click on that, then we see our output window, and our output window is exactly what it indicates. It's where our data is displayed, and that's it. That's our three main windows in SPSS.